welcome back again. So this is the React Native Weather app series. So today we are going to design the map screen. So let's start with the practical. So this is my project. I already run the project. In the last video we have done the swipe to delete functionality like this. So today we are going to add the map view in React Native. So this is my in this screen we are going to add the map view. So this is my Figma, you can see, and we are going to add the map like this, and we also add the marker and these things. So let's start with the practical. I do not want to waste your time. So first we are going to install the map. So for that I am going to the browser. So this is my browser. I already searched for the React Native maps, and we are using this map. For the installation we need to copy. For the installation you need to click on the install instruction and come there, and first we are going to add the map like this, and come here and just open a new and just paste it and enter. I already run these things. For the React Native Expo you need to add these things in your project, and for the CLI we do not need anything. After the installation of the library you need to install the port file in your React. If you want to enable the Google Map in iOS also, so for that you need to add these things in your app.delegate file, and also you need to add these file and use native module, and then after that you need to install the port. And for the Android you need to add this metadata and android.manifest, and this is the Google Map key. You need to add your Google Map key also. So now we are going to the example of the how can we use this copy. Search for the map screen. First we are going to import the React Native map. Remove this and save it, and just let me reload it again. Is there an issue or not? You do not have any issue. And after that we need to import the map view from the React Native map and save it. So now I'm going to create a one state for the lat long const, and just type the, just copy from there. We need to copy, this is my region, and this region, and set region, and just import the use state, and just copy, save it, and just copy the region, come here and add the region to the region. And also we need to add the style.sheet. If you want to add the custom style you can also add, but I need to add the style from the style sheet because we have absolute fill will be cover your whole screen like this. This is our latitude and longitude. You can also change your region from this. So I want to add the lat long for the Kabul city. For that you just search Kabul city lat long and just copy, paste, and this is the other, and save it. Now it will be show the Kabul city. You can see Hamid Karzai International Airport, and save it. And I just format the code, and after that we need to add the marker also. For the marker we need to add one we need to add the multiple marker. You can see 1 2 3 4. So for that I am going to take a one variable more, const marker, and set marker, and same we are going to assign the lat long also, use state, and just add them. So we just assign the data like a Kabul city, Kunduz, Herat, and Jalalabad, and these are the cities we add, and just copy the marker and just come here to the map. We have a map, brackets, and just type the marker and dot map, and we have an item, and just take a return marker from React Native like this, and we need to add the lat long also for this, and this is the marker lat long. Let me add the key and item dot id, and let me add it like this, and just add the coordinates, and we have a item dot coordinates. You can see we have a one coordinates. We can see this is the our marker, but we need to add the title also for the title, and just add the item dot title. Now you can see this is the marker of the Kabul city. Now we am going to add the description also, description, and just add the item dot description. Let me reload the map first, and let's see if I click there, Kabul city, capital of Afghanistan, you can see. So now we are going to add the zoom in, zoom out in the map. So for that I'm going to the zoom controller. We have zoom enable, just type true, and then we have a zoom tab enable also, true, and zoom controller we need to import, add this zoom controller also. Like I see, like this we need the zoom controller. We just add the zoom controller also, and these are my markers. If I click there, Jalalabad, Lagman, you can see these are the city of the Afghanistan. You can also show the user location also. So for that, show user location props, this is, and just add the true. So in like this you can add the user location. You can also show the user location also. If I zoom out, you can see, zoom out, and this is my user location. You can see this is the my location, this is my location. So now we are going to customize our marker. So for that I'm going to remove this and just come here and add the marker and take a one view. So because we are going to add the marker like our UI, so this is our UI, you can see, and we are going to add the marker like this. So for that I'm going to take up, so let me title and coordinates, leave the coordinates and description also, and first I'm going to take a one view. Let's see the UI. So first we have a title, then we have an icon, and after the icon we have a temperature. So text, first I'm going to take a text and just hide the item dot title, and let's me reload the app again. We want to see our markers. So these are the title, you can see. So let me add the styling also, style, background color red, add the color dot background, not like this, we need to add this color, and this color is a, let's see the color also, let's see the colors. This card color, copy and paste it, and we need to apply the height width also, height, (42), and it's more than 42, like 62, 62, and let me add the border radius. The height, the width should be a 72, and this will be a 72. And let me add the text style, font family dot semi bold, and font color dot white. Let me add the font size, scale 16, but we need to align item center also. Align item center, and also justify contents. Yeah, but we do not need the justify content center map B. And also just add the padding padding vertically, moderate scale 20, and let me 92 is the height. So let me zoom out again. So let me zoom out again. So you can see these are the markers. So let me 82, 84. Yeah, and now I'm going to add the image also. Image, source image path dot sun, and let me add the styling also for this. Let me add a 24, 24, and we need to add more text also. So for that I'm going to copy the text and just come here and add a we need to add the text of the temperature. We do not have a temperature text. Let me add the temperature. TMP is equal to 27, 26, like this. We can add it. "36, 16, and just in the loss also just add it. Just add it, and just come here and just type the TMP temperature, and let's format the code again, and we need to hide a little bit more, like 92, and we do not need that much padding horizontally. So for that I'm going to take a 12. Yeah, 12 is not 6, and just add the justify content center. We need to add a justify content center, and just remove this. So now you can see we just add the markers in our React Native app. You can see these are our markers. You can customize your markers, and let me add this to 12. And also we do not need the semi bold, regular, and let me add the margin bottom, moderate scale 4, and let me copy this again, add in here. Let me add the, so let me remove these inline styling first. Just cut and come here, view style, save it, Just copy the style first in the view style, and then we have a text style. Just copy the text style, cut, and text style, paste it, save it, and we need to add the text style here also. Style dot, let me format the code again, and we need to copy the image style also, cut, save it, and copy the image. And after that we need to copy this text style to the text, paste it and save it, and let me reload the full app again. So this is my marker. Let me show you the all markers. Zoom out. So like this we can add the Google Map in your React Native app. So first we just import the map from the React Native, and then we just apply the region. This is my region. You can see lat long and delta, and then we just add the markers. For the marker I just use the JavaScript map. So render these marker to the map, and you can see this is our item coordinate. So we have a coordinate also, like this is our coordinate, every location, and this is my image. So like this we can add the map and marker in React Native. So hope you like this video. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.